Are you looking to delete your TikTok account in 2023? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to completely delete your TikTok account. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the settings page, tap where it says Account. And then tap on the very last option. Deactivate or delete account. So now it will show you two different options. The first option is to deactivate your account. This option will remove or hide your account on TikTok, and no one will be able to see your content. You can just log back in any time to reactivate your account and recover all content. The second option is to delete your account permanently. This option will deactivate your account for 30 days, and if you do not reactivate it by logging in within those 30 days, your account will be gone forever. So go ahead and tap Delete Account Permanently. And then select a reason why you are deleting your TikTok account. Just select anything and then tap Continue. Now you have the option to download all of your TikTok data, including your video posts and stuff like that. I recommend you download this because once you delete your account, you will no longer be able to download it. Just tap where it says Review Request to get them. Once you've done that, tap on this and put a check mark on it, and then tap Continue. And now it will give you some information on how the deletion process is going to be. Just carefully read these if you want, and then tap Continue. So now what you want to do next is enter your TikTok password and then simply tap on Delete Account, which will permanently delete your TikTok account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.